Hey guys, it's the Reaper. 2:09 Eastern Daylight Time in the morning. Fucking about maybe 20 minutes ago. I'm on my computer, and on my phone simultaneously. I'm playing Mobile Strike on my phone, and I have my music playing on here on my laptop, and I hear this boom! Scared the ever living shit out of me. I mean, it was powerful enough to shake the house. I'm sitting there like, what the fuck? And I'm not the only one that heard it. Good portion of the neighborhood heard it too. It was a very fucking crazy scene, you know? And at first, I hear it and I feel my house shake, and I'm like, ah, shit, is someone trying to break in my house? So I go and I'm like, nope, they don't. And so I go out to see what's going on, and my door is cracked. I'm like, ah, shit, my fears of them have become a reality. But I opened the door and no one was there, and it was just my aunt. My aunt also heard it. And I'm like, you heard that too? She's like, hell yeah. And each of my neighbors on my right, my left, my buddy Hunter's, and their neighbor on their left. They all came out. And yeah, it was batshit crazy. So we're standing out there trying to figure out what it was, and I'm like, ah, shit, someone drop a bomb. Ah, shit, someone, how am I gonna word this? Like, someone detonate a bomb. I'm sitting there like, shit. But yeah, it was crazy. So Hunter and I, Mobile Strike, sorry. Hunter and I decide to go looking for it. We get partway down the street, turn back around because I don't see none. Then my next door neighbor Ryan decides to walk up behind us and ask, the power out over there? I didn't think of that. So I'm looking. I'm like, oh shit, the power is out in that block. The entire block was without power. Ryan and Hunter and I, we all went around that block, seeing what happened, seeing what was going on. And yeah, it was batshit fucking crazy. Turns out all it really was just a transformer. But yeah, 1:45 in the morning, you hear this loud boom! And you're gonna get fucking paranoid. Because you're gonna think, fuck, did ISIS just strike? Now, tonight was the only other night that I had ever heard an explosion like that in my neighborhood. The last time I had heard one like that, oh, fuck, how long ago was it? It's been so long, I don't even fucking remember. But the thing I definitely do remember is me watching TV, History Channel, actually. I was like, maybe like 8 or 9, and I hear this like, boom! And I get up, I jump up and run out that front door. And you know what I see first thing I go out the door? A shower of sparks coming down to the ground. I'm like, holy fuck, a transformer blew up! Of course, I didn't even say that. I'm not even sure what I said. I'm like, holy crap, something blew up. And my grandfather, who was in the room next to me, fucking, he's like, ah, it's just a transformer. I'm like, oh. But yeah, it was a very fucked up evening for me. You know? Crazy. Fuck. But yeah, that was the high point of my night. I'm about to say the high point of my life, but the high point of my night. But yeah, I'm sitting here like this with my phone, and boom! I'm like, ah! Well, I didn't make a sound much. And I have my music all the way up too, and my laptop is hooked up to my TV, which is where you're seeing the point of view from. The camera is right there on top of my TV. But anyways, I'm sitting there, I'm like, holy fuck! And literally, I thought someone was trying to break into my house because that's how close it was. I'm sitting there getting all paranoid, and I'm like, nope, this ain't happening tonight. So I go and grab my knives. And yeah. And Ryan ended up calling the cops. And it was probably a very stupid idea to bring all my knives that I had within my immediate reach. Because I had this one, and this one. Ah, fuck. Sorry. But yeah. And Ryan decided to call the cops, and I'm like, shit. And I didn't realize that he had called the cops until after a cop had passed by, and he had told me that he called them. I'm like, fuck. Luckily, the cop didn't even think of us, and just kept going by. But, of course, the cop had to notice something off about that block. He had to. Because if not, what kind of a cop is he? Yeah. Fucked up, but awesome. And I'm sitting there with Ryan and my aunt, like, fucking... I'm over by Ryan, and Hunter comes out of his house right across the street from me, and I'm like... I run over there, and he's like, you heard that too? I'm like, hell yeah. No, I'm not exaggerating. That's exactly what I said. But I've been up all night. Yeah. It's been one crazy night. Well, that was probably the craziest part of my night. But yeah, if I hear another one, let's just hope to God that it ain't a fucking bomb. Because back in the 1990s, I wasn't even born then. But fucking a house a few blocks back exploded. And I'm not talking like frames still up. I'm talking about total fucking annihilation. The house was completely leveled. And fucking Apparently, it was a large underground propane tank that sprung a leak, and she had the woman there had decided to fucking turn on the stove, and boom! Apparently that blast was powerful enough to break windows a half a mile away, and throw bricks all the way to the Great Bridge Middle School Stadium, over a mile away. But as I said, I wasn't even born when that happened. So I'm just basing this off of what I've been told. But yeah. The woman ended up dying. Yeah. Well, guys, that's all I can think of to talk about right now, alright? So, keep rocking. Have a good night. Peace out.